Lots of times people will take and adopt security measures to protect their accounts. And that's important to do. But you can't just simply adopt a new security measure and not pay attention to how you have that security measure set up. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Google Authenticator is a really effective way to turn on two-factor authentication on your online accounts. I use my Google Authenticator app for my LinkedIn, my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, my bank, my insurance, my medical place, lots of different places. Here, I can actually tell you, I have Google Authenticator enabled on the following accounts. I have it enabled on my Zoom, my LinkedIn, my Facebook, my Social Security site, my LastPass, my Evernote, on 1, 2, 3, 4 Google accounts. On my Slack, I have it enabled on my Stripe, my bank, my credit cards, my Microsoft account, and my GoDaddy account. I have it enabled on lots of different accounts. And that's great. Except here's where a lot of people fail. And by the way, this applies to lots of places, Google accounts, Microsoft accounts, LinkedIn accounts. Here's what people do. They turn on these security measures and then they fail to protect their cell phone or their mobile number. Because your mobile number and your cell phone number becomes a vital part of your security. And so if you lose your cell phone and you don't have the Google Authenticator backup codes saved, you can't get back into the account. If you lose your phone number or you give up your phone number and you get a new phone number and you did not plan changing your security systems, including your authenticators, then you screwed up and you can't get back into those accounts unless you have the backup codes. The same thing with recovery phone numbers and recovery email addresses. If you have on your Google account, this is huge. I get asked this question all the time. On your Google account, you're supposed to have two-factor authentication enabled. You're supposed to have a recovery phone number and a recovery email address. Well, if you let that recovery phone number go away, or you fail to ever log into it again and you lose it, or someone hacks it, you've lost your recovery phone number. If, again, back to the same scenario about Google Authenticator, if you lose that phone number, you let it go away, you change it, and you don't plan, then you've lost the recovery phone number to get into your Google account or whatever other online account you use that recovery phone number or recovery email address on. If you turn on these security systems, which is absolutely critical that you do that, strongly encourage you to turn on all protection strategies you can on any and all online accounts. But don't just turn them on. Manage your Google Authenticator, manage your cell phone number, manage your cell phone, and manage your email accounts that are tied to this protection and security. I'm Teddy. I'm a Google Workspace guy. I love helping people use these tools and hope that they use them wisely.